Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Apple Music for free in 2025. So just go ahead and go to the site zoommods.com. They have a lot of mods for like apps and stuff, pretty cool. But today we're just doing Apple Music, right? So let's go to the search bar, and as you can see, it says Apple Music Mod. So just press the download button and it will start to download it onto your device. So this works on iPhone, it works on Android, so let's just wait for it to download here. As you can see, all right. So yeah, it's pretty fast. So yeah, remember the website is Zoom Mods right there. So yeah, it's pretty fast. So let's just wait for it to download. As you can see, all right. So basically, guys, what's gonna happen is it's gonna make us do a verification. All right. So don't get scared. This is part of the process. So as you can see, it says Apple Music Mod Installer. So please install 2 free apps to automatically get free Apple Music. So as you can see, there's 4 apps here. We got Fetch Rewards, Dice Dreams, TikTok. So what you have to do is download some of the apps. So Fetch Rewards says install, open, and sign up. Dice Dream says down, install, reach Kingdom level 6. So what you have to do, guys, is make sure that you actually download the app and read the instructions, because there's some people that will download the app, they won't read the instructions, and then they will not get free Apple Music, because if you just download the app and you don't do anything on it, it's not going to work. So we're going to press tap to install. It's going to bring us to the App Store. You download the app, you run it, you reach Kingdom level 6 in the case of Dice Dreams, but I'm probably not going to see the same apps as you, so if you have different ones, that's totally fine. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but that's how to get free Apple Music, guys. So this actually works, guys. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to try it out. This is fully updated, and yeah, you can actually get free Apple Music today, right now.